Welcome back to Refind Finds with Sean. What do we have here?
Hi guys, I like sharing things with everyone, and this is a doozy. This is a very early precursor to what is modern bowling. You'll notice that these are, all of them, slightly different, hand-carved wooden dowels with some type of a nail studding on the outside. This was purchased back in the 90s in Brussels, and the story goes that it was sourced out of an estate in northern Spain. What I know from going to Paris last spring was that when we visited Versailles, it was all about the lawn games. Because the inside, basically, everyone was pretty much on top of each other. So you went out in the lawn to play. You basically would take these, you would set them on your lawn. There's enough here to do a pyramid of 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then you have basically a very heavy carved solid wood block where someone would basically just, an early game. Anyway, this is a pretty rare set. As far as I know, it's the only complete set that I was able to find anywhere on the internet. And doing what, some research, I just didn't see anything else out there. Really neat that it ended up in St. Louis, but as a child, I grew up with the Bowling Hall of Fame here, so it's not really all that surprising that it's here. Anyway, I just wanted to share it with you. Thanks for watching, and I will now plug the Roadshow this weekend. Come on by and bring something, and we can have a lot of fun discovering.